Hi, I'm Jake. This is Fastlane Classic Cars, and this is a 1967 Pontiac LeMans finished in a beautiful gold color, or more specifically, champagne metallic. This specific Pontiac is powered by a 326 cubic inch V8 engine, making 250 horsepower and 333 pound-feet of torque, and fed by a 2-barrel Rochester carburetor, which means it runs like a sewing machine. Behind the engine is a 2-speed power glide transmission, and even further back is a 10-bolt rear end with highway gears. This car has the 221 trim option, which means vinyl gold bucket seats, and a center console with a floor shifter. This car has power steering and power brakes, although they are 4-wheel drums, 14-inch rally wheels, and a factory dual exhaust. This car also got option 582, which means custom air conditioning, full climate control, heating, cooling, and defroster. This car is also equipped with option 342, which means push button radio and a manual antenna. And option 532 means soft ray glass, which means a tinted windshield and a shaded portion at the top to help with glare. As you may notice, this beautiful Pontiac also has a blue dash around the gauge cluster. Now, I've researched this all morning. I've found pictures of other cars with a blue dashboard, but almost all of them have black or blue interior and are on blue cars. I haven't found another one with gold interior, a black dash, and a blue dash face like this one has. I'm sure that was an option back in the day. Maybe it was a custom option that this person ordered specifically, but I can't find it anywhere in the options list why this one would have a blue dash. Although it does look pretty cool with the gold car and the gold interior. Black vinyl roof is also an option, and I also think that it sets the car off nicely against this gold paint. But that's enough about the awesome options on this 1967 LeMans. I think it's time to drive it. So let me go grab Chris. All right, here we go.
Here we go.
In a beautiful 1967 Pontiac LeMans.
Is it beautiful?
Powered by a 326 cubic inch V8 with a 2-barrel Rochester carburetor.
Rochester.
Which again, like I said during my walk around, runs like a sewing machine.
It really does.
Pretty quiet. It does have factory dual exhaust though.
And it sounds great.
It does sound pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
250 horse and 333 pound-feet of torque in 67, still plenty.
A lot of torque in these bad boys.
It's no GTO with the 400 and the tri-power, but still pretty nice.
And it's affordable, still.
Yes.
It's still an affordable option. Oh, wow. We've got some kick.
And I think the LeMans and the Tempests are kind of slept on because everyone's talking about the GTOs. Everyone wants a GTO, but these were cool cars. And this one's optioned pretty well. It's got gold bucket seats, which means you get the center console with the floor shifter.
Nice.
And you pointed out that it's blue.
It is blue.
Down here.
At least I think it's blue, right?
It is
I'm
blue.
colorblind.
He is blue-green colorblind. He might think it's green.
It could be.
This also has a blue dashboard around the gauges. Again, we struggled to figure out where the option was listed to get the blue dash.
He looked on the sheet.
I did.
We didn't see it. But could have been an option with the bucket seats.
Yeah.
Could have been something. Who knows? Maybe they had extra blues.
Could have been a custom ordered thing, but it's rare because I look up pictures of these cars. Most of them had the wood grain.
That's what I thought.
Not a lot of them had this vinyl, and some of the vinyl was black. Not all of them were even blue.
Oh, wow. So it's even rarer.
And it looks cool with the gold interior and the gold paint, I think.
Yes. I like it a lot.
This car also has air conditioning. We checked.
Yes, we did check.
It's got the AC compressor in there, and it does spin and everything. Working nice. You got the fan controls down here. You have the push button radio and manual antenna.
Manual?
You could get a power antenna. This one has the manual antenna. You can tell it's an AC car because it's got all the vents.
Which is cool.
I don't think you would normally get all these vents down here if your car
not.
didn't have AC, and you have vents over here as well.
There's a vent there. There's a vent there.
Yes.
Neato.
Very nice.
Like this dash. It's very nice.
Power brakes. They are 4-wheel drums, but power is nice. You also have power steering.
It works.
It works. They work fantastic.
Oh, and this is energy absorbing.
Yeah, it says energy absorbing.
I don't know why it says that.
In the inlay on the steering wheel is like a turquoise green color.
Okay, that is green?
Yes.
I thought it was.
A lot of colors going on in this car.
There's a lot of colors. Oh, get going, Bubba.
Sounds nice. Very nice. Pulls okay.
It does. I think 338 foot-pounds.
333 foot-pounds of torque.
Oh, I give it 5 extra.
250 horsepower.
It still drives nice.
It does have the 2-speed power glide transmission and a 10-bolt rear end with highway gears. They're like 273s, I think, or 278s, one or the other.
Something like that.
Very low, but with only 2 speeds, this is a highway cruiser.
It is.
Very smooth V8.
And it looks great too. Let's just.
It looks fantastic.
It looks wonderful.
It's more of a kind of a luxury spec'd car.
Oh, I believe so.
You could get like a GTO with the tri-power and the 4-speed and everything, and that was fast. And this is still decently quick.
I think so.
But it's comfy and it's stylish.
It's extremely stylish. I love the color. It's champagne.
Champagne metallic.
Champagne.
Very nice.
Oh, very nice.
All right.
I like it a lot.
I'm going to do a couple of
Let's do
flybys.
it. Neat. Looks like a goat, but it's a little bit less expensive, but it's still pretty. There he goes. That thing on the back of it is a camera, so I don't think we picked up any extra little passengers. We did not. Sounds good. It's a nice 326. It's a small block car, and it just sounds like it's supposed to. Nice, calm, 2-speed power glide action, and it looks fantastic. It's a cruiser. It's a definite cruiser.
Hello, Chris.
Oh, hi.
How did it sound?
Oh, you know what? I was just commenting that it sounds refined and very, very
I
nice.
like the dual exhaust option that it was checked for this car. Hey, do you remember that convertible red Bonneville we drove that had like all the options on it?
Yes.
Remember the little button to make the speakers go from front to back?
Oh my God, it's got it?
This has the same button.
Love that button.
I forgot to mention it. Yeah, you can. It's like a fader. You can have the front speakers or the rear
But
speakers.
I like it being a button or a toggle, if you will.
It's a chrome metal switch. No
they
one
really
uses
put their-
real metal switches for anything
No,
anymore.
it's such a blast from the past.
Everything is metal. The lighter's metal if you want to take up smoking.
Don't do it.
Don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. The button for the lights and the wipers and the radio, the push button radio. Everything metal.
Nothing digital.
It's awesome. Everything's awesome steel,
Love it.
American steel.
American steel and Pontiac flavor. You gotta love it.
You gotta love it. You ready to take this car back?
Let's go.